Ducati DesertX headlight guard installation video. It's very simple and easy. There are no hardware supplied. We're going to be reusing the original OEM bolts, 4 of them. Tools are also very simple. I'll be using a 4mm Allen socket with ratchet and extension, or if you don't have it, you can also use a simple Allen key, again 4mm. So we're going to begin by removing 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, we're going to mount the headlight guard. I already have the 2 top bolts, so I'm just going to start threading them in. A few turns only. Let's leave it loose. A couple of turns is good enough so it's in place. Now we can proceed with the bottom bolts and line up those holes. Thread it in, turn it a couple of times, and then you're good to go. Last one. So this is in place. Now I'm gonna begin to pull all the bolts nice and snug. So the installation has been completed. All 4 bolts are nice and snug. We suggest that you double check the bolts again after a test ride. Should you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. info@outbackmotortech.com or call toll free 877-931-3636. Thanks for watching.